Earth's dynamics. Mountain buildings. The mountain building cycle. Mountain ranges form slowly and they change slowly. Mountains are the result of many different plate collisions over millions of years. Because of different plate collisions, mountains are made of many different types of rock. The process of weathering and erosion can remove part of all of a mountain. Converging plates. When plates collide at a plate boundary, folds, and uplift combine to form mountains. After millions of years, the forces that first caused the plates to move together can become inactive. Two old continents from a single new continent and the plate boundary becomes inactive. Because there is no compression at the convergent plate boundary, the mountains no longer increase in size. The formation of a new continent formed from two existing continents is shown in the figure at the top of the next page. Collisions and rifting. Continents are always changing because Earth's tectonic plates are always moving. When continents split at the divergent plate boundary, they often break close to the plate where they first collided. First a large sphere, a rift forms. The rift grows and seawater flows into it. In time, an ocean forms. Eventually, plate motion changes again, and the continents will collide. New mountain ranges form on top of or next to older mountain ranges. The cycle of repeated collisions and rifting can create old and complicated mountain ranges, such as the Appalachian Mountains. Rocks that make up mountain ranges record the history of plate motion and collisions that form the mountains. Weathering. The Appalachian Mountains are an old mountain range that stretches along most of the United States. They are not as high or as loved as the Rocky Mountains in the west, but they are much older. They are no longer growing. Weathering has rounded the peaks and lowered the elevations. Erosion and uplift. Over time, natural processes wear away mountains, smooth their peaks, and reduce their height. Even so, some mountain ranges are hundreds of millions of years ago. Why don't the ranges completely disappear? Because how isostasy works. As a mountain erodes, the crust under it must rise to restore the balance between what is left of the mountain above the surface and the root that floats within the mantle. Therefore, rocks deep under continents rise slowly towards Earth's surface. In ocean ranges, metamorphic rock that form deep below the surface become exposed on top of the mountains. When the mineral above the rocks eroded, the rocks rose due to the isostasy.